Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Brian. This is our 93 VW Cabriolet, which people don't want to drive because they say they have difficulty adjusting the seat. I don't have a problem. When I drive it, the seat's all the way back and all the way down. But moving it forward can be difficult. So if your seat does this, or kind of is floppy all over, there's a pretty quick and easy solution for that. And this should apply to all Mk1, Mk2, and probably VWs up to, I think I read somewhere, 2000. I'll put it in the description when I find it out. But definitely Mk1 and Mk2 cars. It's an easy fix. Let's get it going because it's like 95 degrees out here today. To start, down here under the seat is an M6 bolt. It wasn't even really tight. 10 millimeter and a 5 millimeter and a washer. Next, back here behind the seat, there's a plastic rivet in this piece of trim that needs to come off. Now the seat should slide all the way back off its tracks. Your car may or may not have a seatbelt switch or some kind of wires under here that can come out, get unhooked. Now the whole seat should lift out of the car. The problem's twofold. There should be a rubber, one of these things is a little rubber bumper. We'll open this in a second. It sits there. Well, that's clearly non-existent. And then one of the clips in the back of the seat had come off. Also a good time to retrieve your lost change. I saved you the unboxing. Basically, there's two seat sliders and then this little bumper that goes on the front. If I remember right, this one in the front just kind of pops in there. Now, what I don't remember is which way does it go. That seems a little more like it. And then this is your seat stop. So when we put this back in, we'll have to monkey around with that to get it pulled out so it'll slide through. And these pull this little tab, it should come right off. New one should slide right on, or not. So after a little force, that one went on. This is how they should go on. So those are on, pieces in the car. Then you just put the seat back in. Set the seat back down on the tracks, or as close as you can get it. Get the sliders back in. And it should just go. Once you have that, you need to pull the stop out and get the rod back in the ratchet. Now it should slide normally. You can put it back all the way down. And of course one of the clips fell off the back, so we need to put that back in. So the seat's back in, wires are hooked up. All you have to do is tighten the stop bolt back in, and that's what keeps it from running off the track. So Gotten rid of that play in the front, which was our major problem. Then you can take the rest of your parts, since there's nothing wrong with the other seat, put them in your glove box for next time. All what's left is this little track cover. With this little plastic rivet. So in my experience, at least years ago, this is the only part that ever fails. These sliders would occasionally break, but generally pretty much bulletproof. Ended up breaking one of the new ones, putting it in, but one of the old ones is on the other side. So if you can, get them from Germany, and not from this place, but they're out like $7. And I think the OEM ones are, again, like $7. I just didn't want to wait that long. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.